Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Japanese barbecue sauce called Yakiniku no Tare in Japanese. Have you ever tasted Japanese barbecue sauce? Some of you might know that Yoshida sauce. Japanese barbecue sauce has a very rich and unique taste from essential Japanese seasonings like soy sauce, mirin, sake, and even rice vinegar. And it's easy to make. So please recreate this recipe and use it for barbecue and also for the steak or veggies or tofu steak. And as always, my Farley family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as our helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking techniques and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So Japanese barbecue sauce, Yakiniku no Tare, is done! Here are the tips and recommendations of today's recipe. Tip: let the alcohol in sake and mirin evaporate before adding other ingredients. And tip: if you want to add more sweet flavor, I also recommend to add grated apple. Those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was Japanese barbecue sauce recipe? I hope you recreate this recipe and enjoy Japanese style barbecue party with your friends and families. And if you see this video for the first time, thank you for coming my channel. I introduce Japanese recipes including baby meal, kids meals, and desserts. So please feel free to subscribe. Would you like to know more about Japanese food and culture and family lifestyle? I sent a newsletter. So to sign in, please go to my food blog, yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. The pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click, and that's it. And I usually send 1 or 2 emails a month, so I don't bother you a lot. So please feel free to join. And thank you for always watching my video and supporting my channel. I hope my recipes will help you to make daily meals. Okay everyone, have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye!